Hi everybody, so today Aminata will be showing you her breakfast, snack, and lunch, and I'm gonna cook this beautiful lunch with you guys. So if this is something that you want to see, please keep on watching. Okay guys, here's all you're gonna need for this lunch prep. You're gonna need some chicken, some canned tomato or fresh tomatoes, some onions. These are some white eggplants from Africa. That's the purple one. This other one is cabbage, and my favorite seasoning. Okay, I'm assuming you already cut your chicken. You're gonna grab your cooking pan and you're gonna spray with some olive oil spray, or use 1 tablespoon of oil, whatever you want to do, to be honest. As you guys can see, now I'm gonna add my chicken in my frying pan. I'm gonna, spray it around a little bit because I'm about to add 1 tablespoon of my favorite seasoning. You guys should know this by now, right? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay guys, after a few minutes, this is what your chicken should look like. Just make sure you mix it around, and please remember, we're not adding water at all. Okay, now just go ahead and add your tomato, and you're gonna close it and let that marinate really good. Again, give it a little mix, here and there. And then next we're gonna add our white eggplant, because this one takes a little while to cook compared to the other vegetables that we're gonna be using today. Now we're just gonna go ahead and add our purple eggplant and our onions. And as you guys know, I like to cut my vegetables. I don't like to blend it, but if you want to blend it, it's an option. You can do that too. And last, we're gonna add our cabbage. I love cabbage. If you don't like cabbage, just give it a try. Like, cook it this way and give it a try. I promise you, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. I promise you, okay? And this is the final product. Don't forget to add some salt. I don't eat a lot of salt, so I did not add any salt at all, but feel free to add some salt. All right guys, this is my lunch for the next 6 days, 6 to 7 days, because I still have some extra in the fridge. All right guys, now that we are done with the hardest part, which is the cooking part, you have to stand there, you have to cook, you have to mix. Let me tell you how I eat my breakfast and my snack, then my lunch. So first, I eat 4 eggs every single morning, but I don't eat 4 whole eggs. I eat 1 full egg and then 3 egg whites. That's just me. But sometimes I do not eat my oatmeal with my eggs. That depends on if I'm going to do cardio training that morning. So if I'm doing cardio training, I just eat my eggs and go straight to the gym. If I'm gonna do strength training, which is lifting weight, because that's my goal, I'm trying to be strong and stronger and strongest. Anyways, I go ahead and add my oatmeal that I eat with my eggs and wait about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I go to the gym. And remember, for me, every single time I go to the gym, I always have my protein drink or my protein powder in my backpack. And after my session, I always drink my protein right after my workout. So that keeps me full from the time I leave the gym to get home. And then when I get home, I shower, then I eat my snack. Why I don't go ahead and eat lunch straight? Because for me, every time I leave the gym, because of the amount of water that I've been drinking since the time I woke up to the time I went to the gym, I'm just full. I don't feel like eating, and sometimes I just don't feel like eating at all. So I went ahead this week and switched it. I used to do this back in the days, but I'm getting back to it. I added some shrimp and some carrots as my snack. So why some shrimp? Because I want my protein intake to be up, all the way up, because I'm trying to put on muscle. And my carb intake is down because I'm trying to be shredded, you know. I just want to see my six packs and all that stuff. I mean, who doesn't want it? I want to see my muscle grow. That's why I did that. It's easier for me to eat my snack than just sit there and force myself to eat my lunch while I'm not hungry. So by the time I finish eating my snack, maybe, you know, I'm sitting here walking around or just working or doing whatever I need to do. But about an hour to two after I eat my snack, then I go ahead and eat my lunch. And to be honest, I don't feel like eating lunch all the time because I know my lunch is super duper healthy. So sometimes I just don't feel like eating it. But when I think about my goals and when I think about all the hard work that I did for me to cheat on my meal, I'm like, no, it's worth it. So I just sit there and eat my lunch. And after I eat my lunch, by that time, I'm super extra full. Like I don't even feel like eating dinner. And just remember, between the time I wake up till I would say about 4 to 5 p.m., I've already drank 1 gallon of water. That's just me because I do drink a lot, especially when I go to the gym. I can just drink like pretty much a gallon right there. And I will drink extra when I do cardio that day. So I think that's another way for you to, you know, drink your water if that's helpful, but that helps me a lot. And yeah, but I'm gonna start sharing my dinner too a whole lot because I eat something different every single day or every other day for dinner because I don't want to get bored. I usually don't feel like eating dinner at all. I just feel like I want to eat fruit. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, before I forget, I just talked about fruit. I do eat 3 different fruits throughout my day. I just started doing that consistently. And I know everybody is, you know, have different opinion about fruit that you should eat and fruit that you should not eat. For now, I'm just trying to eat as healthy as possible, but still have fun and find that good balance, you know, with my food, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters. You have to find that good balance. You have to have fun with your food and you want to keep yourself motivated. So don't cut out every single thing at once. And all I'm showing you is what I'm eating, and all my meal intake and measurements are based on my goal. So don't go out there and measure your food the same way I measure my food because we don't have the same goal. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm being too sassy today. I'm always sassy anyway. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching and sharing and sending me comments, and it's very helpful. It's very uplifting because starting, you know, on a new platform is very hard because nobody knows you. But I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Bye.